Hey, what's up guys, Quadradiogo here, and welcome back to my first video on this new channel. Today I'll be explaining why I started a new channel, and what I will be uploading and when. This channel is mainly going to be a gaming channel, and I will be uploading every Monday to Thursday, and possibly the weekends if I decide to. I also will be posting starting from around about 10th of September to 30th of September, because I am getting a new PC, and I will be making a time lapse on that for you guys to watch, because it'll be my first time building a PC and I want it to be on video. And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss that video, and so you know when I upload a video as well. So it's been me, Quadradiogo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Didn't even get to cross.